Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm excited to reveal my new X-pipe that I've made. It involves two X-pipes. I've added an extra one here, and what I did was I flipped around my current X-pipe so that I put the X in the front near the headers, and what that does is makes the pitch higher. This is the current setup I have right now using flex tubing, sealant, two X-pipes in the front, connected to two long resonators, and then they're connected to the eBay valve mufflers. This is only temporary until I get everything welded on. I just wanted to test the sound to make sure that I like it.
Wow. I'm speechless.
Alright, so we have the top down now. Let's go ahead and get some exhaust clips. Oh man, I love that sound now.
So good.
Before, if you were hanging out around that RPM range, like 3,000 RPM, it was really raspy, rattly. Now it's smooth exhaust in the sound. Pretty quiet with the valves closed.
What the hell?
That's the induction noise.
It's so funny, like, it's like a different personality.
Yeah.
It sounds like it's upset.
It sounds like an angry monster.
Earlier, it sounded so refined.
Yeah.
And then now you hear it is, it's like
So, valves closed now. I'll show you guys how different the sound is.
Woo!
Oh gosh, that's so damn crazy. Let me show you guys how angry it sounds. This is the angry induction noise.
What the heck? This car has an identity crisis.
It's bipolar.
What does it?
Sometimes it's smooth, sometimes it's angry. Those downshifts. Oh, the downshift sounds like a supercar.
Woohoo!
What the hell? That sounds like a supercar, guys. I'm not joking with you. It sounds so different. Gosh dang, that sounds good. This is all clamped on right now as a temporary solution. I wanted to test the sound and see if we liked it. If we liked it, I can go ahead and go to a shop and have him weld it on. But
so far we love it. I think this will be the permanent setup. I'm gonna have the muffler shop welded in so that it stays.
Yeah.
But right now it's bolted on, sounds great, no leaks. Man, I'm just speechless really, because our goal was to have a unique sounding M3 exhaust and induction noise that doesn't sound like anyone else's. And I think I've accomplished that. And I'm glad to share it with you guys, and Ellie's happy with it too. It's not that loud anymore. We've grown up. We're not into the loud exhaust mode anymore. Sounds great, really. I'm just really happy and impressed that an M3 can sound like this. And I just wanted to close the video by saying thank you so much for watching and supporting us, and I appreciate every one of you. Hope you enjoyed the video. And please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Have a good evening.